Today we're going to go through the registration process. So this is a process that's going to be for general users. There are some additional steps that are involved for administrators, which won't be covered in this video series. So with Pyrotas, the obligation here is on the users managing their own accounts with their own passwords rather than a bulk loading facility where someone would get all the metadata for the employees for their corporation and then load them into the database. So each person can have their own email, they put their own phone number in, and they manage their own password. So to initiate that, the user just has to go here to the register button and pick register. They type out their details. They pick a password. Note that there is some rules involving the password. You can't put a simple password in, so it has to be at least 8 characters and a mixture of uppercase, lowercase and digits at a minimum. So after you've filled in the detail with your email address and pick the password, you click register. So this has now created a holding place in the database, and it's going to send you an email where you need to verify that email. So the next step is to go into your email program, and you should see a message to this effect from Pyrotas Concepts. So just thanking you for your registration. So to actually activate this account, just click the link here. Okay, so now the email has been verified. Log in. So once you log in, it creates a staff record for you and also a profile record. So when you first register, it creates a user record with that information that you filled in the registration form. But that doesn't include staff details, so that's actually a separate record. This is because you can have people registered in the system that actually aren't staff or aren't part of the allocation process. And also a profile record's been set up as well where you can change your themes and the number of lines that display on each page and some basic information such as that. So when you register, it sets you up as a general staff person, and these are the options that you have. So to actually upgrade you to administrator, if that is what you need to do at the beginning process, that is a separate process. So once you've registered, you can actually go into the account here. You can just check all your information here. Some simple details. Nothing's actually quite set up yet. So you can add a profile picture. You can pick the theme that you want to display it in, or you can pick it over here as well, the theme. And that's it. So now the general user has registered and they've set up their email and have a login. What does that mean for you as an administrator? So as an administrator, you can actually go to the staff records here, and then you can see that this new person that just registered actually has no location, section, skills or staff category set. So this is where it's more of a function of an administrator now to fill in the remaining details. So you would pick what location they normally work at, what their skills would be if they're a team leader, or what their subcategory would be. You can make some comments, then you click update. You also pick a section. Yep, so there we have it. That person is now ready to be allocated to shifts.